In this video we are going to give you some quick tips on natural skincare. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will know when we publish a new video. There are probably thousands of products you can buy when it comes to skincare, from moisturizers to exfoliating agents to topical treatments of all sorts. But rather than buy products from the pharmacy, why not try natural skincare? There are many masks and facials and other products you can make from items in your own pantry and things you can do on your own that are probably just as good as any commercial product. Additionally, using natural skincare techniques means that you're not applying artificial chemicals to your face, such as fragrances, dyes, preservatives, and these other elements that you find in so many products. So, what are some natural skincare techniques and products you can make and use? First, remember that much of your skin's health and appearance depend on what you're doing to take care of yourself overall. Drinking plenty of water is a big part of natural skincare, as the body uses its own hydration and moisture for everything in the system first, giving skin whatever leftover moisture it has at the very last. So don't think that a few sips of water here and there are going to be enough. You need to keep your entire body hydrated before your skin gets any moisture, so drink up. Exercise is also vitally important when it comes to natural skincare. Why is this? For one thing, the body uses oxygen as a healing agent for the skin. Someone with severe skin wounds or burns is often put in an oxygen chamber. The body gets oxygen not through the lungs but through the blood, which brings oxygen to every cell through the circulatory system. Since oxygen is a healing agent for the skin and important to natural skincare, when you exercise, you're increasing that blood circulation, so the skin is getting that healing oxygen more often. This helps the skin to repair damaged cells and whisk away dead cells and other elements that make the skin look unhealthy and dull. The blood is also important in natural skincare, since blood delivers nutrients to every cell as well. Elements like vitamins, minerals, and amino acids are also important in skin's health and appearance, and the skin gets these things through the blood. When you're physically active, you're increasing both the amount of blood and the amount of oxygen your skin gets, which often is better for your skin than any natural skincare products you can try. You can of course use facials and masks as well as drinking water and exercising. Women have been making their own natural skincare products for centuries. A simple mask of honey and oatmeal made into a paste is a standard favorite. The honey moisturizes while the oatmeal cleans and exfoliates. Eggs, avocado, cucumber, plain yogurt, and vitamin E oil are also good ingredients you can try to make up your own natural skincare products and masks. Thanks for watching. Remember to give us a thumbs up.